everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a stunning 1970 Chevrolet Nova. Beautiful car. It's finished. This is the factory color combination. It's black cherry metallic with a black vinyl interior. Yes, this is actually the original color of this car, which is a very cool color, something you don't see very much. Neat. Fresh car. They said they just completed this car about 8-9 months ago, so there's very few miles on it. It was done on a rotisserie. The bottom of the car is very nice as well. Got a great look. You can see it's got those are 15x8 Cragars in the rear and 15.6s on the front. So it's got that little Woodward Avenue, I call it, rake. Again, love the color combination. This is a runner. This car's got a big block 454 underneath the hood. I know it's got 396 badging because that would be what would be correct in 70. They didn't have 454s. But nice car, man. Pretty car. I saw a couple little blemishes you can kind of pick at, but not a whole lot. That is a cool color. New bumpers. A lot of the trim's brand new. Good looking car. I figure probably about 300-400 miles on this car. Here, touch that right there. Little scratches. That's probably, I'd say, it's a factory rear glass. Good looking car. Little blemish there. Yeah, looks like a couple little touch-up marks. Nice and flat down the sides. Got a good stance to it. Looks like it's got some real depth to the paint. Front disc brakes. Good running big block, guys. It's a healthy car. It runs strong. Again, 454, 400 turbohydamatic trans, Holley 4-barrel. You can see it's got the Edelbrock aluminum intake on it. It's got all the billet pulleys and brackets on the front. You can also see it's got tubular control arms. Car drives great. Nice little cam to it. It's got some big tube Hedman headers on it. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. HEI distributor. Again, power steering, power front disc brakes. Aluminum radiator with shroud. Detailed up real nice underneath the hood. Good looking car. And again, it runs strong, drives really good. door rubbers and stuff look new. New door handles. Yeah, this stuff looks all new. Door seams are nice and clean. I think he said all the interior's brand new. New carpet, new sill plates. These are Pro Car adjustable bucket seats. It's got the sports steering wheel. Headliner looks new. Showing 12,000 on the odometer, but like I say, they said there's just really a couple hundred miles on it. It's got the optional tach and gauge package in the center console. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Flowmaster dual exhaust, does have the frame ties. It's got Caltrax rear suspension on it. 12 bolt, 355 limited slip rear end. Good looking car. Again, detailed up nice underneath the hood or underneath the car. As always, there's always photos of the cars underneath on our website, which is southernmotors.com. I cannot encourage you enough right now. If you think you're looking at our cars, make sure that you are on southernmotors.com. Pick up the phone and call us, guys. A lot of scams going on right now. Adjustable right here. They go front and rear. Dash looks good. Center console looks good. Again, it's got a nice little cam to it when Nathan fires it up here. All your gauges are functioning, holding real good oil pressure. Car gets its R's pretty quick too. Backup lights work. Like I say, hits the road real good. Fun little car. Good oil pressure, radio works, blower motor works. Everything opens and closes nice. Again, guys, make sure you keep track of our inventory. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram or our Facebook page, our TikTok page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. Great way to keep track of us.